Hello students, welcome to Standard 12th Chemistry by Sujata Miss, Fatima Convent High School. Unit 7, the P block elements. Today we will discuss preparation, properties and uses of ammonia. Preparation. Ammonia is present in small quantities in air. In soil, it is formed by decaying of nitrogenous organic matter. Example, urea. Urea on decaying forms ammonia. In soil, preparation number 1. Preparation number 2. On a small scale, ammonia is obtained from ammonium salts. So here we have the ammonium salts NH4Cl or NH4 twice SO4, which decomposes when treated with caustic soda, that is NaOH, or calcium hydroxide to give you ammonia. Preparation number 3. On a large scale, ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process. So here we have Haber's process. N2 plus 3H2 gives you 2NH3, that is ammonia. Now here nitrogen and hydrogen are taken in proportion of 1:3 and they are mixed and compressed in a compressor of 200 atmosphere, you can say, or 20 megapascal, that is MPa. Further, they are led into a catalytic chamber which has a catalyst iron oxide with Al2O3 and K2O, and further the ammonia that is obtained is liquefied, and here we get liquid ammonia along with N2 and H2, that is dinitrogen and dihydrogen. A little more information. In accordance with Le-Chatelier's principle, high pressure would favor the formation of ammonia. The optimum conditions for the production of ammonia are pressure of 200 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, that is 20 megapascal, or you can say 200 atmosphere, and a temperature of 700 Kelvin, and the use of catalysts such as iron oxide with small amounts of K2O, that is promoters, and Al2O3 to increase the rate of attainment of equilibrium. Earlier, iron was used as a catalyst with molybdenum as a promoter. Properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with pungent odor. Its freezing and boiling points are 198.4 and 239.7 Kelvin respectively. In the solid and liquid state, it is associated through hydrogen bonds, that is, it has hydrogen bonds which increases its melting point and boiling point. As in case of water, and that accounts for its higher melting and boiling point than expected on the basis of its molecular mass. Ammonia molecule forms a trigonal pyramidal structure. So here you have trigonal pyramidal structure. There are 3 bonded pairs, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 lone pair of electrons in the structure of ammonia. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. Its aqueous solution is weakly basic due to the formation of OH minus ions. So here aqueous solution of ammonia is weakly basic due to the formation of OH minus ions. It forms ammonium salts with acids. Example, NH4Cl are the examples of ammonium salts, NH4 twice SO4, etc. As a weak base, it precipitates the hydroxides of many metals from their salt solutions, or you can say hydrated oxides in case of some metals. So here we have the example when ZnSO4 is added to aqueous solution of ammonia, we get white precipitates of zinc hydroxide. Similarly, when FeCl3 is added to aqueous solution of ammonia, we get brown precipitates. The presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom of the ammonia molecule makes it a Lewis base. It donates the electron pair and forms linkage with metal ions, and formation of such complex compounds finds application in detection of metal ions such as Cu2 plus Ag plus. So here nitrogen in ammonia acts as a Lewis base because it has lone pair of electrons, and these electrons can be donated. Now here it can donate these electrons to metal ions, and as a result it forms complexes with the metal ions. So here we have a deep blue complex formed when ammonium hydroxide, that is aqueous solution of ammonia, is added to copper sulfate. The second example is formation of colorless complex when aqueous solution of ammonia is added to AgCl. Ammonia is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, urea, ammonium phosphate and ammonium sulfate, and in the manufacture of some inorganic nitrogen compounds like nitric acid. Liquid ammonia is also used as a refrigerant. So here ammonia is used in fertilizers, in some inorganic nitrogen compounds, as well as in the preparation of nitric acid, and liquid ammonia is used as a refrigerant. Example 7.4. Why does ammonia act as a Lewis base? That is a give reason. Solution: nitrogen atom in ammonia has one lone pair of electrons, which you have already seen, which are available for donation. Therefore, it acts as a Lewis base. So that's it for today. We will have today's homework, example 7.4 of your textbook. In text question answers you can do 7.4 and 7.5, as well as learn and write preparation, properties and uses of ammonia.